In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Picoin from Pi Network to a bank account or any other crypto address. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Pi browser application, not the regular Pi application. You want to go ahead and open up Pi browser. So then you'll then be brought to a page that does look like this. Go ahead and select on the option that does say wallet, and you will need to go ahead and sign in either by using your passphrase or by using your fingerprint. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in really quickly. All right, once you're done with that, it is then going to bring you to the main page. So what we need to do from here is we need to go ahead and select on this option that does say pay/request. So let's go ahead and press on that, and we will now have two different options. So we can go ahead and scan a QR code in order to actually send Picoin to like another wallet address or something like that, or we can go ahead and manually add a wallet address. So this here is completely up to you. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and select on manually add wallet address just like so. It is then going to direct us to a page that looks like this. And from here, you want to go ahead and select on how much of Picoin you actually want to withdraw to the wallet. So here is where things get really important. Over here, you will see the option that does say wallet address, and you need to go ahead and get like a crypto address. You need to go ahead and actually get your recipient address. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and use OKX wallet, but you guys could use something like BitGet as well. I just personally think that OKX wallet is a pretty solid option, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up like so. All right, so here I am in OKX wallet, and you basically want to do the same process whether you're using BitGet wallet or some other exchange. The process will be very similar, but the UI and like the buttons might be a little bit different. But basically, you want to go ahead and select on this option that does say receive. Then you want to go ahead and search up Pi Network just like so. So let's go ahead and look it up. And as you're able to tell, we actually are able to go ahead and receive Pi. So let's go ahead and press on that. And then we need to go ahead and copy our address down towards the bottom. There's going to be a button that says copy, or we can go ahead and use a QR code as well. This is completely up to you. I just think it's easier to actually just copy the wallet address. So once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and open up Pi browser one more time. Once you're here in Pi browser where it says wallet address, you want to go ahead and just paste in the address just like so. And if you want to, you can even save this wallet address as a contact. So if you want to make transfers in the future, it'll be significantly easier. And over here, we do have the option to include a memo. So this is completely up to you. But once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and press on send. And you want to make sure that you do confirm the transaction. And then after a couple of minutes, you should see that your funds will go over to the exchange. All right, so after a couple of minutes, your funds should be on the exchange. So we're using OKX once again, but obviously if you're using BitGet, the process will basically be the same, but the UI of the application might look slightly different. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and actually swap the Pi token for a stable coin. So something like USDT or USDC. So to do this, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select over here where it does say trade. So towards the top option, you want to go ahead and press on it like so. Then you in the search bar, you want to go ahead and then just look up Pi Network like so. You may need to go ahead and scroll down, but yep, here it is. So you will need to go ahead and just press over here where it does say okay. And from here, you guys need to go ahead and actually convert the two. So you want to go ahead and swap Pi for something stable like USDC, just like so, and then you should be good to go. The process should be pretty quickly. You can go ahead and proceed to the next step. So what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be sending these funds over to Coinbase. Now this over here is optional. You don't need to do this if the exchange you already have offers a withdrawal service. So unfortunately, I only do have OKX for Web3. So I'm not able to go ahead and directly withdraw it from OKX. So I need to go ahead and use another exchange. So for this video, I'm going to be using Coinbase. But basically, you just want to go ahead and withdraw wherever you're able to. So if you do have the regular OKX application, then you should be able to go ahead and just withdraw to your bank account. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and use Coinbase. All right, guys, so here I am on Coinbase. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say buy and sell. Go ahead and select on sell. So over here, you should see the option that does say USDT or USDC, whichever one you did pick. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it. So for this video, unfortunately, I don't have those cryptos. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and work with XRP. But obviously, if you do have USDT or USDC, you want to go ahead and just select on that. So let's go ahead and press on this. And now we need to go ahead and convert it to cash. So from here, you want to go ahead and select on how much of the crypto you actually want to go ahead and convert to cash. So this is going to be a fiat money. For this video, I'm using Cash USD, but obviously you want to go ahead and select on whatever currency you want to use. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and just sell all of it like so. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and press on review order. And then I'm just going to go ahead and confirm the transaction and press sell now. And there you go. The order is now submitted. So let's go ahead and press on done. And then as you're able to tell, it is currently pending. So now we need to go ahead and just wait for it. Then you want to go to the bottom menu one more time. And then you will notice that our cash balance will actually go up. So we need to go ahead and select on cash from here. Then we need to go ahead and select on cash. And from here, you guys want to sell your United States dollar or USDC, and you basically want to go ahead and withdraw to your bank account. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on USDC. I'm just going to go ahead and select on my funds right over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on withdraw. Unfortunately, you aren't able to see my screen for privacy reasons, but it is going to basically ask you how much of the currency you actually want to go ahead and withdraw to your bank account. And where it says transfer to, you guys are actually able to go ahead and take a look at that. And you guys are able to add a bank account right over here. So if you haven't already added your bank account, then you will need to go ahead and do that. You can also use something like a debit card or even a wire transfer as well. But you just want to go ahead and confirm the transaction, click on send, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.